Hey, T, what's happening? Chris here. I want to bring you an article I just ran across, and this is beingcrypto.com is the website, and it's by Anton Lucian. And what it says is Ripple looking at multiple acquisitions and investments following MoneyGram deal. And what I wanted to point out to you is in this space, we're still very early and it's very speculative. You want this stuff taking place, these investments, these acquisitions, the deal with MoneyGram. That's a really big deal for Ripple. So to actually see use cases taking place, that's a really good thing. And Ripple's one that can run really hard, really fast. So it's a great one to trade as well. I really like trading it. But the fact that their adoption is moving, and it's moving at a fast pace, and it sounds like they have a good CEO here who really can just, get after this stuff. That's what you want to see in a project, and so far it's been looking pretty good. So it says Ripple looking at multiple acquisitions and investments following MoneyGram deal. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse recently told Yahoo Finance UK that not only is the company in a strong position, but is actively looking at multiple deals with high-profile companies. In June, Ripple announced a $30 million investment in money transfer business MoneyGram. The news sparked massive speculation over what could come next. After all, MoneyGram boasts some $1.4 billion in annual revenue and has over 2,000 employees. So that's a big deal. This is a big company that's working with Ripple right now, and that's something that you really want to pay very close attention to. The adoption factor. There's many coins that will not become adopted, guys, and they'll just fall to the wayside. Right now, you have to get to that first mover's advantage as quick as possible, and that's what they're trying to do here, so that's a good thing. It says more investments and acquisitions to come. It looks like Ripple is not taking a break after that major deal. However, the CEO of the crypto project, Brad Garlinghouse, told Yahoo Finance UK recently that the momentum will keep moving. In short, there is much to look forward to. He says, in quotes here, "We're in a very strong position. Our business is growing strongly. We have a strong balance sheet, and I intend to press our advantage," he said. Moreover, he also revealed that discussions were currently underway with multiple acquisitions and investments. Garlinghouse, however, did not wish to disclose further details when pushed. So that's something too. He's not just throwing stuff out there and saying, hey, this is where we're going, and then it doesn't happen. That's the worst thing that can happen, in my opinion, when you build all these things up and then you just see that massive crash. It's happened in many coins before where they're saying this will go through or that'll go through, and it doesn't end up going through, and then that can be devastating for a project. So I'm glad to see that he is keeping it under wraps right now, and that's a good thing until it actually goes through. When asked what particular area these investments would focus on, Garlinghouse simply said that anything we can do to accelerate our growth and give us more capabilities that serve customer needs is a good place to be. Deals are always very, very hard to predict, Garlinghouse said. However, he seemed to imply that nonetheless, more is to come. So, guys, this is what I wanted to just put on your radar here. It goes on more talking about speculation will abound, and you can read a little bit more for yourself. But it says at the bottom, do you believe it is possible that Ripple could announce a possible partnership with Bank of America? Let us know your thoughts below in these comments. So, this is stuff that you just want to really keep on your radar, because as this continues to gain adoption, that's what really could drive price. We need to see adoption happening in these coins, and so far it's been happening in Ripple, and you really have a CEO there who's after it, and that's a big thing as well. So want to put this on your radar, guys. If you like these videos, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me know down below what you think, and if you think the MoneyGram deal was a big deal. Take care, my friends.